Hi everybody, I want to show you a tool that we have called Split Screen that will sort of resemble what we did with the freezing of the panes in the previous video. This pretty much does what that does, plus a little bit more, as you'll see here. So let me put it in place here, and then I'll kind of demonstrate, and I think that way you'll get a better idea of what it does for you. So what you do is you just kind of click anywhere on the screen. I'll just click there, right? You go back into the View tab. You go over here to where it says Split, and you end up getting a horizontal and vertical border system in here. Now, they can be moved around by just getting right on top of them like that and kind of dragging it over like this. Or the other one, you can move it up or down, whatever. Now, the way it works initially is that if I put the split, the vertical one, between C and, or after C here, right? What happens, as you can already see it, is that it then, that one stays in place, and then I can scroll on the right side here, right? Because we got two separate scrollers down there, I can actually scroll and do something like that. And that might be, you know, something you'd like to see. And at the same time, though, for the vertical one here, you could actually, or the horizontal one here, what we could do is we could go to the top and we could scroll down to the bottom here. It's not too far. And there's our totals, right? So we could actually have that at the top and then be down at the bottom here and scroll to the top and see it like that. So here's a possibility. Let's do this. Let's get rid of the vertical one here. So we just take that, get right on top of it there, hold on the mouse, drag it to the left as far as it'll go, and you'll see it kind of disappear, and you can let go, and that's it. So what we've got now is the top of the screen showing the bottom of our worksheet, and we've got the bottom of the split, you know, the other half there, showing the top. And then I can go back in there and I can readjust it to whatever you need to do it as, right? So that means that I can maybe go into this area here and I can say, okay, I need to change, let's say, this number right here. This was supposed to be 200 for some reason, and it, actually not 200, let's say it was 400 like that. Now watch what happens. When I hit the enter key, you'll see the total of their change, just like that. Or if I go over and I say, oh, that bonus wasn't supposed to be 43, that was supposed to be 22, hit the enter key and I can see that. So I can see an ongoing totaling as I'm making the changes. There's not much more you can do with this one. So when you're all done and you say, well, I don't want the splits anymore, you could either drag this one to the top until it goes invisible, or what you can do instead is you can just go back into View, hit the split, and that'll turn it off, and then you can go back to the top or whatever you need to do. All right, so hopefully that comes in handy for you. I think it's a nice tool. You might not use it all the time, but I think it's a good one to work with. So I appreciate you watching the video. Take care.